Welcome to the updated GKTECH S/R chassis tension rod install video. By busting open the box, you can see that these units are now solid AF fam. You also get the offset inserts as shown here, as well as the bolt pack and dust boots. Now speaking of dust boots, these bearings are PTFE lined, so you don't necessarily need the dust boots, but if you want to install them, slip them on as shown, then thread the lock nut on after. These do come with a fresh set of instructions in case you can't access the internet to hear my angelic voice. Now, let's show how crappy the stock tension rod is for getting max lock. Start by removing the front nut and bolt from the stock unit, then remove the rear nuts, and get that hunk of junk out of your life forever. Here's a comparison of the stock versus GKTECH with the OEM rod coming in at 355mm or 13.97 inches, and the GKTECH one full inwards is 338 or 13.3 inches. On the contrary, expanding to maximum safe length, we're left at 375mm or 14.76 inches, so there's lots of room for adjustment for your bent old chassis to get straightened out. Now our recommended start point is going to be at OEM length, which again is 335mm or 13.97 inches, and then adjusting outer end from there. So let's toss it on the car. First, make sure you have the inserts installed the correct way, or you will be robbing yourself of precious lock if you put them in backwards, because ain't nobody got time for that. Toss in the front bolt and nut, then the rear bolts and washers, then the nuts as shown here, and tighten them down to the torque specs shown on the screen. Then move on to the rear and torque them down to these specs as well. Remember, when you're tightening the nuts down, please ensure that there is no misalignment of the heim. You don't want it cocked to the left or to the right, rather you want it running central. Once it's good, tighten the rose joint lock nut, then the extender locking nut, then rinse and repeat for the other side of the car. Check out all that extra clearance you got, especially compared to the OEM piece of hot garbage. Insert glory shot of the GKTECH part here, and now you can impress your friends by dangling your angle without rubbish. Follow these two idiots on YouTube, and if you need professional help, please seek it, and don't break yourself off trying to install things you can't. We them boys from GKTECH, and we'll see you next time.